I'm Phil Lewis. I'm the co-owner of Kindle, an outdoor fire food restaurant in the centre of Cardiff with a focus on sustainability. We're part of a group, so we have Dusty's Pizza Company, we have Nook, and we've got Kindle. All those companies share a very similar value base, and that is that we will operate as sustainably as we possibly can. With Kindle specifically, we were able to go a little bit further because it was a derelict building. I think in the end we ended up with 1.5 skips leaving the site for the entire build period, so it was pretty impressive. I think the herb bed out the front, that is made of the bricks that came out of the walls from here. Operationally then we look at applying those same principles. So smaller plates of food generate less waste. It's a nice style of dining. It's not uncommon anymore. It allows the chefs to be very creative, and because we use, where we can, anything we've got around us and small suppliers, it means that we can be more agile with the menu, dropping things and bringing different things in. Every decision we made when we started talking about, oh, should we have laundered napkins, should we have disposable napkins? And actually then we went, well, why do we need napkins at all? So we introduced a no napkin policy. From a circular economy sustainability perspective, we'll keep driving forward really and keep improving what we're doing and keep learning from anyone that's prepared to share. One of the things we wanted to make sure is that everything that was going into the ground served a purpose, so it was either edible or scent giving. So we have a small kitchen garden, so there's a greenhouse with lots of chilies in it, and then some kind of more obscure herbs and edible flowers that we can plant and use. And then things like courgettes we can work with. We're always very, very transparent about where we are on this journey. We are not getting everything right. There are still some packaging things coming in that we don't want. But we work with our suppliers, we work with our customers, we work with everyone to try and get to where we need to be. So it's very rewarding in the sense of it's completely transparent. There's no greenwashing going on here. We're doing the best we can, and we will keep doing the best we can, and that's nice.